friends, just wanted to show you a quick irrigation tip on increasing or decreasing the water times, the run times for your zones. Now's a good time to bump it up since it's nice and warm. Depends on how warm it is. You can bump it up 20 to 30%, and you don't have to go in and individually change each zone, runtime for each zone. But not all irrigation controllers, manufacturers make this option. It's called a seasonal adjust, and Irrigation Rain Dial does not have it. Hunter has it, and most of the other brands. So I will go ahead and show you how to use it. Super easy and saves you a bunch of time. Alright, so this is the feature I'm talking about, seasonal adjust percentage. And we'll take a look at it, turn the dial, and we're getting 100%. So we'll see zone 1 is at 20 minutes. So we will bump this up, let's just say 30%. Just hitting that plus button, and then you can rotate it back here, and it changed it by 30%, and it changed all of them. So I probably should have shown you that, but so we'll go back to 100%. And then you can see zone 1 is back to 20 minutes. It's 25, 20, and nothing. So there you go. Quick and easy way to adjust the run times on your controller if your plants are looking a little weak and wilted.